Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to modify labels within Jira. To begin, launch your specific project and switch your display to the list view. If you scroll over to the right side, you can see the existing labels, such as label 1, 2, and 3. To make changes, go back and highlight the tasks you want to update. For this example, I will check the main box to select every task at once. Next, click the Edit button located here to start a bulk update for these 5 items. To adjust the labels, click the Keep As Is drop-down menu. You will see options to add new labels, replace existing ones, find and delete specific tags, or clear them all. I am going to choose the option to find and remove certain labels. I will select label 2 and label 3 to be deleted from the list. Now, click Next twice and then hit Confirm to apply the changes. The bulk process will begin, and you will notice that those 2 specific labels have been successfully removed. Editing or deleting labels in Jira is a very straightforward process. Thanks for following along. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.